Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making chicken in red wine sauce. We are in a mood for some really quick dinner today. This is a very easy recipe. Let me run you through the main ingredients first. We have here two chicken breasts, as you can see. We've just made crisscross incisions here. Then besides that, we are going to need some salt, sugar, olive oil, some chopped garlic, some red wine, and then we're also going to use some red chili powder, some black pepper powder, and some mixed herbs, which is completely optional. The details are provided in the description box. Please do have a look. So let's get started. The first step here, guys, would be to marinate the chicken. As you can see, we've made these crisscross patterns in the chicken. So this is going to allow the chicken to cook quickly and evenly, and it's also going to absorb the marination well. First of all, we're going to just put in the red chili powder, the black pepper powder, and mixed herbs. We're going to put in the chopped garlic and some salt at this stage, and some olive oil. Once that is done, we're going to make sure that chicken is marinated evenly. We'll now marinate the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes, guys, and while the chicken is marinating, as you can see, we'll just go on to preparing the red wine sauce. We're now making our red wine sauce. As you can see, we've taken a pan and put in around 250 ml of red wine, and we are going to reduce this red wine now. So we're going to bring it to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, we are going to add in the sugar. So just keep the flame at medium at this point, medium high. The wine has now come to a boil, guys. At this stage, we will be adding the sugar. We're going to use around 1.5 tablespoons of sugar here, and then just give it a stir. Note that we need to sort of keep doing this for a little bit more until we get the desired consistency. After about 7 minutes, guys, so the wine has reduced to around 1/3 of its volume for us, and look at the consistency now. So the sauce is almost ready now, and we're just going to set it aside and go on to preparing the chicken. So we've taken a pan here, guys, and we've heated up around 2 tablespoons of olive oil here. Once the oil is completely hot, we're going to add in the chicken. And we're going to cook them until the chicken is completely done, but we are going to just flip them occasionally. So as you can see, guys, we've been cooking this for around 15 minutes now on a low flame, flipping every 2 to 3 minutes. The chicken is now completely done. It's got a nice color as well. It's also smelling very, very good at this stage. We're now going to go on to the plating. And there you see, guys, the chicken is now served. Just top it up with the red wine sauce that we had prepared earlier. Can just be generous at this stage because that's just going to add to the overall flavor. And it just smells and looks amazing at this stage. Enjoy!